Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies easy at home. First, gather your essential ingredients like all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, unsalted butter, and large eggs. Make sure your butter is softened to room temperature. This is crucial for a smooth mixture. Also, have a good quality vanilla extract and a leavening agent, like baking soda, ready. These foundational items are key to delicious, homemade cookies. Now, let's mix. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter and both sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, beat in your eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, gradually add your dry ingredients, mixing just until combined to avoid overdeveloping the gluten, which keeps your cookies wonderfully tender. It's baking time. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop rounded spoonfuls of your cookie dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving about 2 inches between each. Bake for approximately 8 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown and the centers are just set. Let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before moving them. Once slightly cooled on the sheet, transfer your cookies to a wire rack to cool completely. This prevents them from becoming soggy. For optimal freshness, store your delicious homemade cookies in an airtight container at room temperature. They are best enjoyed within 3 to 5 days. If you want to save some for later, baked cookies can be frozen for up to 3 months, ready for a quick treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.